Hi guys, welcome to the unboxing quick review of this really interesting USB condenser microphone. It's supposed to have really good noise suppression. It has an active monitoring. It's plug and play, working for most of the devices. So I'm going to take it out of the box, show you what you get, and then plug it into my laptop and record some real live voice samples so you can listen to that. And so here we have the box a little bit closer with some description. But let's open and see what we get. And so we can take it out here. Comes everything pre-assembled, nicely protected. And it's also very beautiful, and I really love that it comes pre-assembled. Some of the microphones we need to assemble, then it takes 10-15 minutes. You don't know how to do that. I have done this already a couple of times, and this is what we want to see. Everything pre-assembled with a standard USB-A cable. Very long one, and the base is protected underneath with some kind of soft velvet, so it has a safe stand and doesn't scratch any surface. And so here's some quick user guide. I'm going to show you that maybe it can help you to get a better impression what we have and how to set it up and how to use. But I mean, it's plug and play, and so usually with Windows and Mac and whatsoever, it should be just a real plug and play. So here we have it with all the functions. By the way, they have a couple of different models. So here's the top of the line with all the possible functions. Here we have this gain control. We can reduce it down to pretty much muted. There are also models without dedicated mute button, so you can mute it here. And here on the back we have the noise reduction button on the left side, and here a dedicated mute on the right side, and an LED switch and a 3.5mm headphone jack to monitor what's recorded. So here we are on a Windows 10 laptop, but it will be pretty much everything for most of the other computers, at least for Windows computers. So we just plug it in here and see what's going to happen. There should be a confirmation here soon. It's saying setting up device USB mic 1. And then it's important to wait even a little bit longer. Could take even a couple of minutes if you are working with a slower computer to get confirmation that the microphone is ready. So while I was preparing the headset for the live monitoring, I was missing the notification for the installation. So we definitely get some installation confirmation. Here on this slow PC it took almost 5 minutes, but don't be worried, you don't have to do anything, you don't need any driver, nothing to download, just plug and play and then it should work. Here in this case it has even identified this microphone as a speaker. This is not an error, this is just because we have this audio jack here. If you want to switch back to speaker, you can do that here easily. But I'm trying with this headset, so I plug it in here in the back. What's also really important is that we can adjust the angle here, and by the way, you don't have to talk from this side. The best angle to talk is from this side, where we have also the gain control. So here from this side I point here a little bit with my finger, so this is the area where you should be because the microphone is pointing towards this direction. And something we can hear already, the live monitoring. When I touch the microphone here, you can hear the output here from the headset. I hold this a little bit closer, and this is definitely coming from here. So we have this live gain control, and we can already test the mute button. Here when I touch, you can hear that when I press the mute button, there's only the noise from here and not from here anymore. And then the LED switch, we switch it to the right side. You can see how nice this looks. Really nice colors, different colors here in the green, moving to blue, and not only here in the front, also in the back we see this really nice color going into yellow, and yeah, we see all these different nice colors. And what I really love is that the mute button has also an impact on the color. So we press here and you can see the green is mute, and we push again and it goes into red, and then it's live again. So green goes to mute, red goes live. That's awesome. For the noise reduction, you have to look in the back, because when we push, we can see now it's turned on and now it's turned off, on and off. But it's not visible from the front, as you can see. But I mean, this is not something which we are using all the time. So we are going here to the input, and you can see it has also activated, of course, the microphone as an input. If you want to use another microphone, you can choose that here. But usually when we plug it in here, it will choose this microphone. When we unplug it, it will go back to the built-in microphone, and so on and so on. Really easy. This is what we mean with plug and play. Okay, and so here we are recording from this microphone. I use the gain control. I turn it a little bit down. Yeah, I think you didn't hear me, so it was really muted. That seems to definitely work. The gain control for the mute, I turn it to the right side to full gain. Now I'm on full gain. That's a lot, so I turn it back. So I have it here in the middle. This is around 2 feet away from me. I think it has a decent sensitivity. There is a little bit of noise in the background. It's actually not coming from the AC. I think it is somehow an interference which I can hear. So let's try to use the noise reduction. So I've turned on the noise reduction, and that's definitely much better. So this is a huge difference. This is total game changer, I would say. Of course, it's not a high professional microphone, but I would say it's a decent job on picking up my voice. It is not picking up the super deep sound, but I would say medium and high pitch, it's picking up really nicely. It is reacting on everything when I touch, especially without the noise reduction. With the noise reduction, it is not so bad, but I highly recommend do not move around the microphone while recording. It doesn't have any shock mount or so. You will hear everything what you do here on the laptop or touching here on the desk. Regarding the clicking sound, yeah, I can hear something, but I think it's more like from the Windows system. It's not coming from the mouse directly. So I'm waiting here for the AC to turn on again, because this is my biggest problem here in this room, that I have a very loud AC unit. So let's wait for that. Okay, and so I'm here, the AC has turned on, so I remove the noise reduction. And now the noise reduction is turned off, and you can hear the AC running in the background very clearly. That's really not something which you want to hear on a live recording. So I activate the noise reduction again. And so I'm back here. The AC is still running, but I have the noise reduction on, and I would say it's doing an awesome job. I can't really hear the AC, at least not in the live monitoring, and I think it will be the same in the live view. Of course, you are now hearing the original sound, the thing which I'm recording here from this microphone. By the way, I went back to the player and I was listening to the thing which it has been recording, and it was actually even much better than from the live recording. So the live recording is just giving you some indication regarding the gain control and if the mic is really working, but the quality will be even much better, and I've been really impressed by the quality. So at least from what I've seen till now, I'm definitely going to replace my old microphone using this one here. I love it. Also style, design, functions. This will help me a lot in the future. And so I can give you full recommendation. And so if you're interested, I'll put down the link to the Amazon listing down into the description, so you can check it out and order it right from there if you like it. And I hope I've been able to help you a little bit with this video. If you have any questions or comments, just write to the comment section below, and I'm always happy to talk about these things. And if you like the video, give me a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching. See you next time.